If you're working with CAN bus, there's a good chance you've already run into the limitations that come with running a single network across a large installation. But thankfully, there's already a solution to that problem. So in the next 2 minutes, you'll learn exactly what a CAN bridge is, how it moves data between two CAN networks, and what makes it one of the best devices you can have in a CAN system. So the first thing to understand is how a CAN bridge actually moves data. It uses what's called a store and forward principle. It completely receives a CAN message frame on one network, processes it through an internal microprocessor, and then it transmits it to the second network. That extra processing step is what gives a CAN bridge its intelligence and is what makes everything else it does possible. Because the bridge is actively processing each message, it can do things that no other CAN device can. For one, it's able to convert baud rates. So a network running at 250 kilobits per second on one side can communicate seamlessly with a network running at 500 kilobits or 1 megabit on the other side. It can filter messages using the message identifier, so instead of passing every single message across both networks, you can configure it to only forward the messages that actually need to cross. And because each side of the bridge is its own independent network segment, the total distance of your CAN system extends significantly since each side calculates its own distance budget separately. Now on top of that, industrial grade bridges provide galvanic isolation between the two networks, which means a voltage spike or a ground loop on one side of the facility cannot damage the electronics on the other side. A great example of this in practice is the ICP-USA I7532MFD. It's a two-channel CAN bridge that connects two independent CAN networks with independent baud rates on each side, full fault isolation, and extended network distance, all in a DIN rail mountable module built for industrial environments. So if you want to see the full ICP-USA CAN bridge module lineup, including fiber optic bridges that can extend a CAN network up to 30 kilometers, we have an entire video going over every single one of them on screen now. There's also a link to the full CAN bridge lineup in the description below if you'd like to take a closer look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it and hit subscribe so you don't miss our next 2-minute explainer. If you have any questions about anything covered today, please let us know in the comments below, and you can also reach out to our team at sales@icp-usa.com or head on over to icp-usa.com to check out all of our other modules.